Hi guys, I think I messed up the last one, so I have to do it again, but I wanted you to enjoy this, and it's a truly magnificent place. It really is. Mother Nature certainly has done well, as she always does. As you can see, it's magical. As you can see, it's truly magical. Just redoing it because I messed up the last one, so I didn't want you to miss out. Look at the colour in the rocks, boulders, they're just fantastic. Beautiful ferns growing out of them. And there you are. And hopefully it stays alive. But I'll see if I can show you the beautiful sunshine coming through the trees. It looks fantastic. There you go. I'll lose signal, so I'll show you quickly. Yeah, signal's bad here, so I'll do it very quickly for you. Sorry about the interruptions, they're not me, it's the signal. There you go, enjoy the beauty. There you go. Fantastic. Okay guys, that's it's going to keep cutting out, so I'll leave that part with you, and have a fantastic day wherever you are. Bye for now.